Hi people. Hello. So I was in a rush, so I just applied a mascara, kajal and lipstick and little of eyeliner, and I am ready for the TGPC interview, guys. TGPC is also conducting an interview before finalizing their finalists or winners, or they are winners. So I am one of the finalists and I have reached the last round, and now this is the last round of TGPC Talent of the Month, and I am nervous honestly, but I am also very excited. And let me show you my outfit. I have not wore the heels. वो heels वहाँ रखी है, the black one. I will wear it, but I am wearing this. So yes, I am wearing this outfit. I really love this. It is very old money kind of an outfit, and I love it. This is a pearl necklace, a glove, a puff, a black dress, and of course a black heel which is missing, but it is over there. And this is me. It's me coming under the light.
Is to be tip top in front of the camera in an interview, right? I mean, you are in an industry where you have to look very pretty. I can see Prakshi has come with all the glamour, just like me.
Thank you so much,
So
ma'am.
once, whenever you feel that you are attending any of the audition, any of the interview, specifically in pageant and modeling, please wear your makeup and be on. And my eyes know that okay, this is the girl जिसने forward का necklace डाला, who she is. Okay,
Thank you
tell me
so
who she is. Oh, she's Prakshi. Okay. Now I know there is a girl. मैंने आज यहाँ पे training दी थी. There is a girl with a flower necklace on, right? So now she has already made an impact. Now I can see that. You also need to do this. Okay. So let's say your face expression depend on what type of face you have. You have a chubby face, you have a cute face, you have a sexy face. Okay, expression depend on your face, as I told you. Expression are different way. Let's say smile and teeth. Let's say teeth. Sometimes people say, oh, you have to smile with your face only, with your lips only. The stage. So let's say, last time I think I was talking about the expression only. Your expression depend on your face. So I think Prakshi has a sexy, like me, right? Sakshi has a very sexy face. So she can play like her attitude, right? इसके बाद I'm going to show you आप किस तरीके से expression change कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Let me say it for normal हो जाए, then I'll tell you how you're gonna change the expression, okay? And Shri is there, right? See, you only have one shot. TGPC, India's Miss TGPC, any online platform, you only have one shot.
That we found in the world platform, and it was such an honorable moment for all of us Indianites. It was such a proud moment that it evoked a sense of
performance अच्छी लगी. फ्रंट से स्टार्ट करिए, बैक से मूव करो, आगे को हो जाओ, and then move करो. Otherwise, like this. Nobody is here, right?
Now technical part of it क्या होता है, आप जो कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट में सीख सकते हो, right? How to have good vocab, how to
Until and unless you do not leave the rank, you should be confident. You should be confident. कभी भी लगता है कि वो जूरी अब
My
no,
age.
I'm 25. I'm the eldest here, I think so.
Ah,
I'm
but you.
also 25.
Okay.
Okay, you are also 25. Okay, I thought I would be the eldest.
No. But you look like a college student. Let me tell you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Honestly.
I thought
Bhavna, about me, I am doing the MBA from. Can you please switch off because we are in table to hear.
I just want to ask you, what are you studying right now, Prakshi?
Okay. So can you please switch it off so that I can. Okay. So basically, I am pursuing my MBA from DTO, Delhi Technological University. So yeah, I'm pursuing my MBA. My first year will end in like this August, I guess. So yes, but I have a deadline in my head ki before I get out of the college, I should end this pageant thing in something good and better. Everything, because I think college mein na you have much more time. After like getting into job, it becomes very difficult. I don't know how you guys are managing. Yeah, salute to you guys. But agar main hoti to I would be have gone mad. Honestly.
Means you all are elder than me.
What's
I'm 17.
Oh. So what are you doing here? You should be in a teen pageant, competing for a teen. You should be in a teen pageant, competing for that, because trust me, you have an age, you should participate. During my time, when I turned 18, there Miss Teen Diva was the first national pageant which happened for teen in 2000. I don't remember, but then I was 18. So maybe 2020 or 2021. So I was like, यार shit यार, अब इनको याद आ रही है, पहले से कर लेते, it would have been better.
Do you want to go for Diva?
यार, who doesn't want to go for Diva?
No, I mean, you want.
You know, मेरे लिए मैं इसलिए भी थोड़ा सीरियस हूँ because since I was 13, honestly, I wanted to win pageants. तो मेरा ये है कि अगर top notch ना हो पाए तो TGPC comes in good one. तो at least I end somewhere in some good pageant. नहीं तो मेरा 13 साल की प्राक्षी would be very upset on me. So that's why I was like,
It was so nice talking to you guys.
same here. Yeah. So
How old are you, Prakshi?
I am 22.